Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your graphic settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition game on your device, and from within the launcher, you can tap on the options menu. Now within this page, you can change various different options for your game. Make sure that you have chosen the correct resolution and full screen is turned on, and you can choose your desired frame rate within the FPS menu. Underneath you have the VSync option, which you can turn on if you notice any screen tears within the game. And within the GPU menu, you will need to make sure that your dedicated graphics card has been selected. Now within the global quality preset, you have various different presets to choose from. This ranges all the way from low up to the high option. There is also the optimal recommendation for your system, which detects your hardware resources automatically and creates a setting preset for you. You can see how the optimal results feel, or you can try the various low to high presets. If you notice some issues or lags within the high preset, then switch to medium and see how this feels. Once you find a perfect balance of performance and quality, you can apply these settings and it will be saved right away. If you choose the custom option, you can now define the level of detail on each of these parameters. You may try reducing the shadow quality and the reflection quality in order to get some performance boost. You can also use a medium anti-aliasing setting and turn off bloom in order to draw out more performance. Now for the texture quality option, you should begin with the high preset first and then move to low only if required. Once you have set all of your desired options, you can go back and your changes will be saved. And now just start your game and see how your current settings feel. If the game plays out fine, then you won't need to make any further changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings within the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.